Hello. Welcome to Easy English.
With David and Alice.
Here, we speak English.
Slowly, clearly, and naturally.
Listen
Repeat,
and practice with us.
relax.
And let's start. Hello. Welcome. Please sit comfortably.
Hello, David. I am ready to listen.
Good. Take a slow breath.
Okay, I breathe slowly.
This is Easy English listening practice.
I like easy listening.
My voice is calm.
Yes, your voice is calm.
You can relax and listen.
I feel relaxed.
That is good. Learning is easier when you are calm.
I believe that.
Today, we listen. We learn slowly.
Slowly is good for me.
Let us start with very simple English.
Simple English helps me.
I will speak slowly.
Thank you.
You can just listen.
I am listening.
Let us talk about feelings.
Feelings?
Yes, simple feelings.
Okay.
I say, I feel calm.
I feel calm.
Very good.
The sentence is short.
Yes, short sentences are easy.
I like short sentences.
Another way to say it is, I am calm.
I am calm.
Same meaning.
Same idea.
Yes, different words, same idea.
That makes sense.
In daily conversation, people ask about feelings.
They ask, "How are you?"
Yes, they ask, how are you?
I can answer,
What do you say?
"I am calm, thank you."
Excellent.
I understand.
Now, let us imagine a real situation.
Okay, I am ready.
Let us talk about food.
I like food.
Imagine you are in a restaurant.
I am in a restaurant.
You sit at a table.
I sit at a table.
A waiter comes.
The waiter comes.
The waiter asks, what do you want?
What do you want?
You speak slowly.
Slowly is important.
You say, I want water, please.
I want water, please.
Very good.
It sounds polite.
Yes, polite and calm.
What if I want food?
You say, I want pasta, please.
I want pasta, please.
Perfect.
Can I say it another way?
Yes, you can say, can I have pasta, please?
Can I have pasta, please?
Very natural.
I like that.
I repeat, I want water, please. Can I have pasta, please?
I understand.
Real life again.
Okay.
You are tired.
I am tired.
You speak softly.
Yes.
The waiter hears you.
Good.
Simple English works everywhere.
That is good to know.
Question for you.
Yes.
What do you say in a restaurant?
I want tea, please.
Excellent. Now, let us talk about work.
Work English is important.
Yes, we keep it easy.
Thank you.
Imagine you are at work.
I am at work.
A colleague speaks to you.
Yes.
The colleague asks, are you busy?
Are you busy?
You answer honestly.
I am busy.
Very good.
Or I am not busy.
Yes, you say, I am free.
I am free.
Short and clear.
I like clear English.
Another way.
Another way?
I am busy now.
I am busy now.
Or, I am free now.
I am free now.
Same idea.
Yes, I see the pattern.
In real life, this helps you communicate.
Communication is important.
Question for you.
Yes.
Are you busy now?
No, I am free now.
Perfect. Now, let us talk about travel.
Travel English is useful.
Very useful.
I like to travel.
Imagine you are in a city.
I am in a city.
You look for a bus.
I look for a bus.
You ask someone.
Excuse me?
Yes, you say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Then you ask, where is the bus station?
Where is the bus station?
Very good.
Simple and clear.
Another example.
Okay.
You are at the airport.
At the airport.
You ask, where is gate 3?
Where is gate 3?
Excellent.
I feel confident when I repeat.
Repetition helps listening.
I agree.
Question for you.
Yes.
What do you say when you travel?
I want tea, please.
Excellent. Now, let us talk about shopping.
Shopping English is fun.
Yes, and very useful.
I am listening.
You are in a store.
In a store.
You see a shirt.
I see a shirt.
You want the price.
Yes.
You ask, how much is this?
How much is this?
Clear and easy.
I like this question.
Another way.
Another way?
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Same meaning.
I understand.
Real life again.
Okay.
The seller answers.
Yes.
It is $20.
$20.
You decide.
I decide.
You say, okay, I take it.
Okay, I take it.
Perfect. Now, daily conversation.
Everyday English.
Yes, very important.
I agree.
You meet a neighbor.
I meet a neighbor.
The neighbor says, good morning.
Good morning.
You reply.
Good morning.
Friendly and simple.
It feels nice.
Another option.
Yes.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
And the answer is calm.
I am fine, thank you.
Very good. Now, let us review together.
Review helps me remember.
You learned calm sentences.
Yes.
You learned restaurant English,
Yes.
work English,
Yes.
travel and shopping English,
Yes.
and daily conversation,
I learned many things.
all with a calm voice.
That helped me a lot.
Learning English can be peaceful.
I feel less stress now.
That is the goal.
Thank you, David.
You are welcome.
I will listen again.
That is very good.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a calm day.